Attention! This is a message to these former states, Texas, New Mexico, and Arizona. These 3 states has formed into a new nation. After last year of this virus spreading and causing mass extinction around the world, we're here to inform that we survive using the technology we have. We're also going to be sterilizing major cities around the world by launching nukes. We build bunkers around the world for any remaining survivors. And here's our biggest thing we have done. We have created a powerful cure to the K17PXVI virus. That's what's inside the nukes. And since all remaining survivors survived the K17PXVI virus, we'll be playing our national anthem of the Provisional Empire of Texas.